Pay1040com reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're filing taxes online, most people get this wrong by assuming all platforms are the same. The surprising truth is that Pay1040com offers a mix of filing and professional support options, with pricing varying by complexity and filing type. Simple federal returns often start around $2, while state filings or more complex returns with itemized deductions can range from $2. Additional services like audit protection, priority support, or expert review may add to your total cost. What you get: user-friendly interface, step-by-step guidance, multiple filing options, and support for both federal and state returns. What you give up: some advanced features may require higher price tiers, and pricing can add up if you need extra support or multiple state filings. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Determine your filing needs before selecting a plan. Step 2. Use free tools if your return is simple. Step 3. Only pay for add-ons that truly benefit your situation. Step 4. Review your forms carefully to avoid mistakes and extra fees. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore the fine print. Extra charges can appear for additional forms or state filings. The surprising truth is that Pay1040com is cost-effective when you choose the correct plan for your tax situation. In conclusion, Pay1040com provides flexible pricing depending on your filing complexity. By understanding fees and services included, you can file accurately and efficiently while keeping costs under control.